Hi friends, I am so excited today. We are going on another field trip. I know yesterday, I believe you went to the Arctic, which was very cold. Ooh, burr. But today, we're going to go somewhere where it's really, really warm. We're going to see a lot of animals. Some of these animals I know that you have probably seen at the zoo. So get your outfit on. I've got my field trip outfit on, and I also have my binoculars. I want you to look up in the corner up here. There's a little video that's going to tell you how to make binoculars. So see if you can make some. I made them just the way she made them in the video. So I've got my binoculars, I've got my hat, I've got my shorts on, I have my tennis shoes on, and I am ready to go on another field trip. So I hope you have fun with me today, and I'll see you in a little bit.